So in order to reset our service interval, we're going to turn on the motorcycle. It's not going to be running at this point. And what we're going to do is we're going to hit the set button until we bring up the main menu, and we're going to scroll down to preferences. Mine's not actually due for service yet. I did my oil change earlier than the recommended interval. So I'm going to reset this to where it will remind me in about 3,000 to 3,500 miles to do my oil change again, because I like to do them a little sooner than what the recommended interval is. So what we're going to do now is we're going to hold the up and down arrows together until the service menu light pops up here. And as you can see, it says next service. I can set this to the next 300 miles. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the set button, and it's going to raise this by 300 miles each time I press it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this until it gets to, I'm going to do 3,600 miles, right? You can hold down on the set button, and it's going to go back to your preferences. I'll turn the bike off real quick, turn it back on, and we'll go back to our preferences here, go down to the service, and as you can see, it's telling us we have 3,599 miles left until our next service is due. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, please give it a like. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video.